Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and very good afternoon to Professor Dr. Nur Hasni binti Osman, Dean of School of Technology Management and Logistics, Associate Professor Dr. Nurul Sadikin Azbia binti Yaakob, Postgraduate Coordinator, all STML lecturers, supervisors and postgraduate students. First of all, I would like to recognize and congratulate all postgraduate students for taking initiative to continue your studies, even though there's a lot of challenges that might be faced to balance up your work, family, and study. It is very hard to put this feeling into words. Thank you very much that today I have been given this opportunity to receive the award from STML and deliver few words. I would like to take this opportunity to thank my supervisor, Mr. Azhar bin Ahmad, and Associate Professor Dr. Abdul Aziz, who has guided throughout my research study in completing the thesis. I'm really appreciate because they are ready to be made at any time to assist me and advise even on their off days because my unexpected travel time. I also would like to express my appreciation to STML lecturers who shared their opinions and ideas during my studies, including Professor Dr. Roslin binti Muhammad Yusof from UUMKL and Dr. Asmat Nizam, who guided me on academic writing and research method paper. Appreciation must not be forgotten to my family members as well as my friends who supported and helped me going through those difficult times. I would like to share some experience and challenges in my journey to complete my study. I've attended academic writing and research methodology classes in UUMKL and completed the thesis even though with my daily tight work schedule. It was very challenging to travel from Singapore to KL every week to attend classes and really need to do some time management. While traveling to KL for classes, I took some initiative to communicate with the supervisor to ensure that the focus on the proposal defense and the draft of thesis progress went smoothly. Discussion in academic writing and research method class also helped a lot in preparing the defense proposal. In addition, there's also online class or training provided to facilitate information and upgrade knowledge on improving research method. Example of previous case study and research method also help a lot to complete the thesis. We can even go to any university library to gather information about research using our metric cards. This is one of the methods to understand more about previous research. Although sometimes I lost focus with my daily work in small kids, but the family moral support and sharing of experience of friends and supervisor really helped to motivate and guide me to stay focused until complete thesis on time. I always follow the draft to keep on moving to write so that I know where to start even after a few days break due to some errands. For me, it's a journey for you to achieve it. Don't turn back before you finish it. I believe there's a lot of other strategy that can be shared by our postgraduate students with the expertise who currently pursuing their master's or PhD. Sharing of your expertise is one of the key factors to gain more knowledge. I'm proud to say that our program is recognized even in Singapore for job opportunity, especially in manufacturing sector, even you are a bachelor degree holder. Once again, I would like to thank everyone for your support, patience and valuable time. Wabillahi taufiq wa hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.